Do you hear that? Yeah, go check it out.
There's snow iron team.
What the what? I don't. What are you doing out here?
To boldly go where Snowman has gone before.
What are you? What are you doing out here?
This is snow good. Nobody knows the trouble I see. Nobody knows the snow.
Just like live in the backyard? Oh, there you are.
There's snow business like snow business like snow business like snow. The snow must go on.
Good one.
What was it?
It was a snow bunny.
No, that's a made-up thing.
No, it was literally a snow bunny. It had like ears and it was making snow puns.
Snow punny. No, that's a made-up thing.